Ho, shut the fuck up. I got way too much on my mental.
What's going on, you guys? I am hyped. It is, let's see, it's like 1:30 in the afternoon. I just had a great breakfast. Today's my day off from work, and I'm just gonna show you guys what supplements are absolute necessities when it comes to bodybuilding, when it comes to training. I'm not qualified to give you nutritional advice and supplementation advice. These are just my opinions. These are like supplements that I take personally and I have seen success from. So we're about to go to Vitamin Shop right there. Hopefully they let me bring the camera, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I take, what I'm gonna get. Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? Robert here, and I just wanted to take the time to apologize before I get into this little edit montage voiceover clip of me working out, training chest and triceps. I will have the entire workout of what I actually did in the description below. It's a really short workout. It's only like 3-4 exercises, but yeah, what the heck, right? But going back to what I just said, I apologize for kind of stopping with the content and kind of leaving you guys with a cliffhanger of what the hell just happened. Like, I started making a lot of videos back in December, and then I just kind of stopped. And honestly, you guys, it was just me dealing with a bunch of depression, and it was hard and it was tough, but I got over it and I learned and I adapted. And you know, you got to go through, you know, some dark days to see the bright lights and like learn how to like be a better person and just grow as a person. So that's exactly what happened, but more on that in the future. Let's just jump right into the video. So I started the workout off with dumbbell bench press, and I supersetted with machine dips. My form on this set was really bad. I actually didn't set the bench up right, and I used way too much weight. So I jumped back and just kept jumping back and forth. As you guys can see, I'm working with really light weight. I'm only working with 55 pounds due to the reason that I'm going higher with the reps. So I used 55 pounds, but I did 4 sets of 15 to 20, and I rested about 30 seconds in between sets, and I'm talking in between both sets. So I'll just do the dumbbell press and jump right into the dip machine to do the sets of dips. So the whole point of this is to really burn out the chest, try to get it done really quick, and get a pump. So going back to the dip machine, as you guys can also tell, I switched up my form. So I did a total of 6 sets. That was the beginning of the workout. 3 sets on flat, 3 sets on incline, and then the entire 6 sets also got supersetted with the dip machine. But I kind of switched up the variation of my grip. I used pretty much every grip you could think of. Reverse, regular, and neutral. Going back to, yeah, like I said, going back to incline, and it was hot today, so if you guys want to leave a nasty comment down below about my armpits, go ahead. I see it, I know, but I don't give a fuck. It is what it is, and you guys are just going to have to see my sweaty armpits. But that's, yeah, that's it. Going back and forth between these 2 exercises, and I got a crazy pump, and that was pretty much, I think dumbbells, you get a better stretch and a better squeeze when it comes to chest training. But moving forward, I don't know what these are called. I've heard some people call them sweat press. I've heard other people call it the other thing, another thing, but I just call it the close grip, like a close grip bench press up against the wall. I don't know what it's exactly called. If you guys know what it's called, just, you know, let me know. If I do some research, I could probably figure it out, but I haven't really done the research on it. I probably should, but I feel like I've lost a lot of size over the last couple of months since moving from LA and kind of dealing with the whole being homeless situation and living in my car and struggling for a couple months. It was really hard to eat, and it was tough, but no excuses, right? We're back, and I feel like this is the first real, like, me first real like month or week of me getting back into it. So I'm excited to see what the future holds and just grow as a person and, you know, grow as a, not a bodybuilder, but someone who wants to just get bigger and stronger and, you know, look good. Look good, right? That's most important. Look good and be healthy. Chest flies, I did about 6 sets here. Honestly, I used to love doing these, so I figured let me just today's workout was more about lots of sets and reps, doing less exercises. And one tip that I could give you guys is switch your feet in between the exercises. So I was doing about 15 to 20 reps, and if I did 20 reps, on the 10th rep I would switch my foot, just because I felt like whatever foot's more forward, that side of the chest, that pec gets more attention. That's it for the voiceover. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. What's good, guys? So I just finished the workout, and I'm gonna just kind of talk to you guys at the end. I didn't really film much of the workout because all I did was like, just, the sun is horrible. Okay, so all I did was just abs at the end of the workout, and just did 45 minutes of cardio, so I didn't think you guys really wanted to see that, but that's all I did. I did a bunch of hanging leg raises, and I did 45 minutes on the Stairmaster, and that was pretty much it. I'm trying to get lean, so that's the plan. Woo! I love my car. As much as I want another car, I do love my car. Alright guys, so I'm back home, and pretty much just to make this easier, this is everything that I bought. And I'm going to show you guys right now. Alright, and there she is. All the food that I will be eating this week. So let's just get straight into it. I got chicken. I got about 3 pounds of chicken for 11 bucks. I got ground beef. It is 90, I believe 96, or it's 92. I don't remember. 93.7. So this one's pretty lean. This, I don't know what brand it is exactly. It doesn't really have a brand. I'm sure you guys can get whatever meat you want. I got some shrimp. I usually never get like fish or seafood, but I was in the mood for some shrimp chicken Alfredo since I bought 2 of these chickens. So I got that. And then I got egg whites. I'm gonna have this for breakfast. And that's pretty much it for the proteins, guys. I got ice cream as dessert. And since I'm done talking about the ice cream, I'm gonna put it away just cause, there we go. Just so I don't want it to like get all melted and messed up. Carbs, we got pasta, and we got white rice. I got some bread for some avocado toast. Avocado I already put over there, but we got bananas, we got pineapples, we got a berry mix. Those will be the fruits that I'll be eating. I need to eat more fruit, so that's that. I feel like fruits and vegetables are essential. I have salad. I have a fajita vegetable mix that consists of 3 different kinds of peppers and olives, or not olives, onions. So that's gonna be good. And it's got two types of onions. It looks like it has white onion and it has the red onion. So that's good, more flavor. We got 2 things of asparagus that's cut up, and that'll be easy to cook. Just throw it on the saute pan, and a naked juice. I drink this every morning, just because even though I get I think I get all my vitamins and minerals. I think, you know, getting some extra boost is pretty good. If you guys have a suggestion on any juices that I should maybe check out, let me know in the comments below. But other than that, that's the only like drink that I'll be drinking besides water. I got bacon. I'm gonna make bacon in the morning with my eggs. I got some cheese for the pasta, and I got cheese for the eggs. I got reduced fat Skippy, so it's got 7 grams. Let's see, 7 grams for 2 tablespoons. So that's another 7 grams of protein. So that's another source of protein, good source of fat. We have fat-free Italian dressing. That's going to be good with the salad. And then I think I can put that on the ground beef too. I kind of like the way it tastes. I got the whipping cream. I know this isn't really healthy, but I'm only going to use like a quarter of it, honestly, and it's going to be for the Alfredo sauce for the shrimp. I got some Pam olive oil spray, and that is it, you guys. This is all that I will eat. After it's done being made and prepared, I will show you guys in what order and how I'm going to eat it in throughout the week. but I don't think I'm gonna cook all of the food. I think I'm gonna cook like 3 days worth of food. So I think I'm gonna cook the shrimp Alfredo for tonight with the chicken. I'm gonna cook I may cook the entire chicken, we'll see. And then I may just put the ground beef and the ground turkey away. But that's gonna be it for that's gonna be it, you guys. Alright guys, so quick update. Right now I got the shrimp drying off. It's not cooked just yet. I got the chicken in the oven. Let me turn on the, you guys good? Cool. So I got the chicken in the oven. Another 20 minutes for that. Actually, you'll see 8 minutes in, so another about 15 to 16 minutes. Pasta's done. Got the butter on the saute pan. I'm gonna add the shrimp in there. I got white rice already finished, so all that's left to do is just cook the shrimp, and then I'm gonna clean the pan and then make the asparagus, and that's it for the day. I will see you guys when all of this is done and like packed up and ready to go. Alright guys, so this is the end product. We have shrimp, we got chicken, we got asparagus, we got white rice. I ran out of white rice and I had some leftover potatoes that I had made last night. And for 2 of the chicken meals, instead of white rice, I have a total of, so forget about this, I have 6 meals total. I have 3 of these exact same meals, and then I have 2 of these exact same meals, and then one of the chicken meals I have asparagus and, or 2 of them I have, so I have 2 asparagus and chicken and potato, and then I got 1 instead of potato, I got rice. So I got 4 with rice, 2 with potato, but 3 with chicken, 3 with shrimp. So they're like right here. I just didn't feel like unboxing them again, but you guys get the point. So I got proteins, carbs, and I have fiber in the asparagus, and I got a couple more, the potatoes are carbs too. So that's it, you guys, nice and simple. And in here, I cooked some pasta up, and I threw the chicken and shrimp, and that's where I got the whipping cream so I can make some Alfredo sauce, and I put some Parmesan cheese in there as well. So this isn't as healthy, but it's okay. It's still pretty early in the cut. So that's kind of like what I'm going to talk about next. Why am I doing this, and like kind of like why am I starting to eat a lot cleaner, and yeah, let's just kind of get into that topic right now. Alright guys, so I'm back at my desk and I'm gonna share with you guys the whole reasoning behind why I'm kind of like eating cleaner, and the whole reasoning behind why I'm meal prepping and just gonna start eating, like I said, a lot cleaner. And that's because it's summertime, and honestly guys, I live in Arizona now, so I hear it's gonna be really hot, and as conceited as it may sound, I kind of want to get my body on point, and I don't think that's a bad thing. Like, I want to get my abs nice and shredded. I want to get my arms a lot more cut, and by eating cleaner and dieting is the way to do that. That's how you get cleaner. That's how you get and ultimately, like, that's a lot healthier to cook your own food. So that's kind of like the reasoning behind that, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm back. I took, like I said in the last video, I took some time off just to gather my thoughts. I was going through a lot of depression and a lot of stress and just a bunch of stuff. But after a long time of thinking, I know what I think I figured it out. I think I know what I want, and I'm gonna go chase after it. I'm saving up for the Hellcat or the C63 AMG. I love cars so much, and like that'll never change. So if I can keep showing you guys cars and fitness and showing you like what I like, I think it'll all blend pretty well. But I'm gonna eat this meal, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. I'm out.